This is basically my eye with more lid space. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Haja, and in today's tutorial I want to show you how to apply your eyeliner on hooded eyes with this tool. This is a lifting tape, eye lifting tape. I have introduced this product in my previous videos, so I will link it down below so you can maybe watch the tutorial and learn more about this product. So to put it short, this tool gives you more lid space, which basically means that if we hooded eyes people have more lid space, we can apply an eyeliner easier, right? So we're going to test this in this video if it is more effortless for us to apply an even winged eyeliner without it looking crooked, because that is the main problem of hooded eyes people. When they apply their eyeliner and then open their eyes and it just doesn't look even, it looks crooked here at the end, and it's all because the hood, which is the hanging skin, interferes with the line, and that is how it turns crooked. So first of all, we clean our eyelid to get rid of any oils and dust with a cleanser by Garnier. This one doesn't have any oil, that is why it is nice to clean your lid with it. I haven't applied any makeup on my eyelid. That is why you can see the discoloration. I just peel it off, but as you can see it is divided, so I'm assuming that I need to use only one half of it. You better don't use your fingers, let it stick to the tweezer and apply it on top of your crease fold with the sticky side. This is the fold that we need to apply the tape on. As I have downturned eyes, I'm going to place it a little diagonally. The set I have bought comes with a Y fork. I'm going to use it to create my bigger lid space. As you can see, my eyelid space is more visible now. I personally think I'm not used to this eye shape of mine, but it does look nice. Doesn't look bad, I'm just not used to it. So now we go ahead and apply concealer to neutralize the darkness or discoloration on top of my lid. So the concealer I use is the Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade 20. One thing you have to take in consideration is to go over the lifting tapes in dabbing motion to not peel off the ends of the lifting tape. I'm using a beauty blender because I think that works better than a concealer brush. So before the concealer sets into your crease fold and just looks cakey, you go ahead and set it immediately with a translucent powder. I'm using the one by Laura Mercier. So now we go ahead and apply our eyeliner. I'm using a dip-in eyeliner by Maybelline called Master Ink Lasting Drama in Waterproof. So we definitely have more lid space now, which is nice because now we could actually draw a thicker eyeliner if you would want to, but I recommend you not to.
It is better to go for a smaller, thinner, narrower line than a thick one on hooded eyes, because it might that you actually cover your eyelid and that way your eyes look smaller and more closed instead of open and bright.
The rule that you have to follow is just to stay under the fold and not go thicker. Here as well, when it comes to the wing will be applied here. You don't have to interfere with the excess skin, otherwise you have to go for a bat wing eyeliner or you just will have a crooked eyeliner. So first of all, I'm looking straight and relaxed into a mirror, and then I'm going to apply a small dot. So once you have applied your small dots, under the crease fold and diagonally to the outer edge of your eye. You go ahead and apply another dot. This will help us to apply a more flawless wing. So now we connect these two.
So we didn't interfere with the hood, and it looks good so far because we have more lid space.
And now we connect the wing back to the lash line. Don't worry about small mistakes, you can always correct them. So this is basically our wing. And now we line the rest of our upper lash line by simply drawing small strokes until the inner corner of our eye. Wow, I'm amazed actually. I'm not lifting my brows and I'm looking really relaxed. So here we go and correct small mistakes. I don't like how thick here the ends are, that is why I'm going to correct that. So we corrected our wing and now we're going to intensify it by making the end look a little more sharp. And we're also going to close any patches like here. For the complete result, we need to work further on this eye. So therefore I'm using a mascara by Tarte called Big Ego, and go ahead and apply it on my lashes. I really don't know whether I should go for falsies or not, but I'm thinking of not going for falsies because at the moment I don't have a pair of very natural falsies, and I think since this eyeliner is thin and narrow, too dramatic and full lashes would make the eyeliner not only disappear but would cover my lid space that I have created. And I experienced this in my last video testing these tapes, and that is why in this video I won't go for falsies. If you do, please go for very, very natural ones that are not too dense. Yeah, I will leave it like that, and I will go ahead and apply concealer under my eyes. I always do that after applying my eye makeup since I do not want to deal with fallouts, and sometimes when you are going to apply products like an eyeliner, you can mess up easily. That is why it is better to apply your concealer afterwards for it to look more clean. Okay, so before the concealer sets in, we go ahead and apply our setting powder from previously and just look up. That way we are able to apply the translucent powder into the folds. The thing I would like to mention is don't go with the eyeliner over the tape, because otherwise the ends of the tape might be visible and that will not look so natural. So please don't do that. So guys, this is the end result. I have done my eye makeup on the left side off camera, and I also styled my hair a bit, and I'm really impressed by the results. I think it looks great. The eyeliner looks great on closed as well as on open eyes without me raising my brows or using any other tool than the lifting tape. And I really like it so far. I think it's a really great option for those of you who have extreme hooded eyes, which happens on mature skin. And that is why I would probably also use this technique on my mature skin clients, because it's helpful for occasions you want to attend and you really want to look fabulous, but your eyes just won't let you make the makeup visible, and this is how you kind of correct it. I never thought these tools actually work. I mean, they don't cost anything. They just cost you like $6 for 1,200 pieces. I mean, you could run this for like years, and I'm not using them obviously for every day. I just did it for this tutorial. So I hope you liked this video and the outcome. And if you did, please comment down below your thoughts on these tapes and whether you have tried them already or not and how they worked for you. I would really like to know what you think of these tools. If you've watched this video until the end, I would like to thank you and also remind you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to not miss out on every week's upload. Thank you very much for your support. See you in my next tutorial.